The Courthouse Guide, information and step-by-step instructions on how to get a protection order. This is brought to you by the Miami Inclusion Alliance. Introduction. This book will tell you how to get help if you are being hurt by someone. You should be able to live your life without someone hurting you. If someone is hurting you, there are ways to get help. One way to get help is to ask a judge to keep the person hurting you away from you. This is called a protection order. What is a protection order? A protection order is a piece of paper signed by a judge. This order will tell the person hurting you to not hurt you anymore, not call or text you, not come near where you live, work, or go to school, leave the house. It can let your children live with you. It can give you money from the person that hurt you if they are the father or mother of your children. If any of the things listed below have happened to you, you can get a protection order to keep you safe. Domestic violence. This is when someone you live or have a child with hurts you. Some examples are hitting, punching, kicking, yelling, spitting, or anything else that hurts you. Repeat violence. This is when someone hurts you but does not live with you. You must have been hurt at least 2 times. This must have happened in the last 6 months. Dating violence. This is when someone that you are romantic or intimate with hurts you. Romantic means that you love someone or they love you. Intimate means physical, like sex. Sexual violence. This is when a sex act has happened to you that you did not want or did not say yes to. A sex act can be vaginal, oral, or anal. It can be through use of physical force or threats of hurting you. Important words and what they mean. Assault. When someone says they are going to hurt you. Aggravated assault. When someone says that they are going to use a weapon to hurt you. Battery. When someone touches you without your permission. Aggravated battery. When someone touched you without your permission and permanently hurts you or has a weapon, such as a knife or a gun. False imprisonment. When someone holds you against your will and you can't leave. Kidnapping. When someone holds you against your will and you can't leave and they want money or something else to let you go. Stalking. When someone follows you or bothers you over and over again after you told them to stop. Aggravated stalking. When someone follows or bothers you over and over again after the judge told them to stop, or you are under 16 years old. Temporary protection order. A piece of paper signed by a judge that says the person who hurt you must stay away from you. The person must stay between 100 and 500 feet away from you. This will last for 15 days or until you have a hearing in court. Permanent protection order. A piece of paper that says the person who hurt you must stay away from you. If you have children together, it may tell you where they will live and how much money the person who hurt you may have to give you. The judge will decide how long it will last. It is usually for 1 year. You must ask if you want help. You can ask for help in 2 places. First, CVAC. CVAC stands for Coordinated Victims Assistance Center. This is a building with many services for victims of abuse all in one place. The address for CVAC is 2400 South Dixie Highway, Miami, Florida, 33133. They will help you fill out the papers needed to get a protection order. They will also help you with jobs, benefits, housing, and immigration. They will help you make a plan to be safe. This is called a safety plan. If you would like to talk to a lawyer to help you get a protection order and to go to court with you, CVAC can help you. The other place you can get help is the courthouse. There are 4 courthouses in Miami with a special clerk's office that will give you the paperwork to get a protection order. In the South Dade Courthouse, an organization called Mujer has a special person who will help you fill out your papers and get help. The special services that CVAC offers are not available in the other courthouses. Here are the courthouse addresses. Lawson Courthouse Center Intake Unit, 175 Northwest 1st Avenue, Miami, Florida, 33128. Their number is 305-349-5813. Their hours are 9 to 8:45 p.m. Monday through Thursday and 9 to 4:45 p.m. Friday. There's a legal aid attorney on site to assist with permanent protection order hearings, 8:30 to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Their number is 305-349-5824. Hialeah District Courthouse Intake Unit, 11 East 6th Street, Hialeah, Florida, 33010. Their number is 305-520-4031. Their hours are 9 to 4 o'clock p.m. Monday through Friday. There's a legal aid attorney on site to assist with permanent protection order hearings, 8:30 to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Their number is 305-520-4057. South Dade Justice Center Intake Unit, 10710 Southwest 211th Street, Cutler Bay, Florida, 33189. Their number is 305-252-5807. Their hours are 9 to 4 o'clock p.m. Monday through Friday. And there's a Mujer advocate on site who will assist in the preparation of temporary protection order applications, 8:30 to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Their number is 305-324-1481. North Dade Justice Center Intake Unit, 15555 Biscayne Boulevard, North Miami Beach, Florida, 33160. Their number is 305-354-8728. Hours are 9 to 4 o'clock p.m. Monday through Friday. What will happen when I go to CVAC or the courthouse to get help? You will go to CVAC or the courthouse and tell them that you have been hurt and you want a protection order. You will fill out papers that tell a judge what happened to you. You will not see the judge at this time, but she or he will read all the papers you fill out. If the judge decides that you are in danger, you will be given a temporary protection order that tells the person who hurt you to stay away. This is a very dangerous time. Be very careful. Keep your papers from the judge with you all the time. Important tips to keep you safe after getting your temporary protection order. Keep your phone charged at all times. If the person that hurts you calls or texts, do not answer. Save all messages from your phone and all texts from the person that hurt you and bring them to court. Carry your papers, your temporary protection order at all times. Check the security settings on all your devices. The most dangerous time for you is when the person that hurt you gets the court papers. Call 911 if the person who hurt you comes near you. Let your family know that you have a temporary protection order. Change the locks on your house and make sure that you have lights outside your door that can be turned on. Go to a shelter if you do not feel safe in your home. Your advocate from CVAC or Mohair can help you with more safety tips. The next step is your hearing. Your hearing will take place in court. Below is a picture of a court in Miami-Dade County. The court that will help you is called the Domestic Violence Court. This court has special judges that can decide if the person hurting you should stay away from you. Go to the court on the date, time, and address that are on the papers you were given with your temporary protection order. Bring all your evidence, including pictures, email, or text that explain your story. Also bring any friends or family members that can help you share your story with the judge. Save all messages and all texts from your phone. What happens the day you go to court for your final hearing? You will enter the courthouse and go through a metal detector. You will need to put all your items and bags through the machine. You will walk through the metal detector. Find the correct courtroom. The number is on the papers you were given with your temporary protection order. You cannot bring any weapons to court. When you get to the courtroom, you will see a man or woman in a uniform called a bailiff, and they will tell you where to sit and wait for the judge. You will wait until your case is called. Do not sit next to the person that hurt you. What if you have a disability and need an accommodation or help in court? If you need special help to participate in the court hearing before the judge, you must ask the ADA coordinator for help. You must ask for help 7 days before your hearing, and you must tell the ADA coordinator you have a disability and need an accommodation to participate in your court hearing. To ask for help, call 305-349-7175 or TDD 305-349-7174. Or you can fax a request to help to 305-349-7355. Or you can email a request for help to ada@jud11.flawcourts.org. Remember, you must ask for help 7 days before your hearing. Who will be in court? The petitioner, the name used by the court for the person who has been hurt and is asking for a permanent protection order. The respondent, the person that hurt you, the name used by the court for the person who hurt the person asking for help. Witnesses, family, friends, or anyone who knows what happened to you will get to tell the judge what they saw or heard. The lawyer. You may have a lawyer to help you tell the judge your story. If you have a lawyer, they will be in court with you, ask the witnesses questions, and ask the person who hurt you questions. The judge. The person that will hear your story. She or he will listen to what everyone has to say and then we'll decide if the person that hurt you has broken the law. Court staff. There will be other people who work for the court sitting in the courtroom to help the judge. Here's a picture of a courtroom below. You see number 5, that's where the judge will sit. Number 6 is where the court staff will sit. Number 3 is where the witnesses will sit. And number 1 and number 4 is where the petitioner will sit and the petitioner's lawyer. And number 2 is where the respondent will sit. What happens in court? The judge will come into the court and you will stand up until the judge sits down. The judge will tell you when you can speak. The judge will listen to your story and will listen to your witnesses. The judge also listens to the person that hurt you tell their story. The judge will ask questions and you will answer them. The judge will then decide if you get a permanent protection order. Remember, you must not speak unless the judge tells you to speak. If the judge says yes, you will get a permanent protection order. You will be given this paper by the police in the courtroom right after the hearing is over. Keep a copy with you whenever you go out. Keep a copy in your home. Tell your family and friends that you have a protection order. If the judge says no, you will still be able to get help at CVAC or Mohair and follow your plan to stay safe. Ask for this help anytime if the same person hurts you again. And go to a shelter if you do not feel safe at home. Important numbers and addresses. Call this department when checking on the service of the temporary protection order. Miami-Dade Police Civil Process Bureau. Their number is 305-375-5100. If you want to file a criminal case against the person that hurt you, call the state attorney's office. Their number is 305-547-0150. Shelters that are available if you need to leave your home. Safe Space North. Their number is 305-758-2546. Safe Space South. Their number is 305-245-5011. The Lodge. Their number is 305-693-1170. And you can always call the Florida Domestic Violence Hotline. Their number is 1-800-500-1119. To request an accommodation from the court, you can call 305-349-7175 or email ada@judd.11.flawcourt.org. Agencies that might give you a free lawyer are Dade Legal Aid. Their number is 305-579-5733, extension 2251. Agencies that can support your other needs, CVAC. Their number is 305-285-5900. Mohair. Their number is 305-247-1388. Remember, call 911 if you have an emergency. Call 911 if you have an emergency and need help.